In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in Google Docs. Whether you're making notes, wanting to remind yourself to omit something, or you're simply playing around with different text formats, applying a strike-through can be amazingly useful. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently add this formatting feature to your documents in no time. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, open the web browser of your choice. I recommend Google Chrome, as it tends to work seamlessly with Google services, but feel free to use whichever browser suits you best. Once you've got your browser open, navigate to the Google search engine. In the search bar, type Google Docs and press Enter. You'll find the Google Docs link right there, usually at the top of the search results. Go ahead and click on it to take you directly to the Google Docs homepage. Once you're on the Google Docs page, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in. Use your Google account credentials to access your documents. If you don't have a Google account, setting one up is easy and essential for using Google Docs. After you've logged in, decide whether you want to work with an existing document or create a new one. For creating a new document, simply click on the blank document icon to start with a fresh page. If you prefer to edit an existing document, locate it in the list on your home page and click to open it. Now, with your document ready and open, let's move on to applying the strike-through. Highlighting the text that you wish to strike through is the next step. Click and drag your cursor across the specific text, or if it's a word or two, double-clicking can do the job just as efficiently. With your text highlighted, glance up at the top menu bar. Click on Format to open up a drop-down menu. This menu is the gateway to various text formatting options. Hover your mouse over the word text within this menu. When you do this, another sub-menu will appear to the side. In this sub-menu, you'll find various options to format your text, and among them is the choice for strike-through. Click on Strike-through. And just like that, your highlighted text is now strike-through. And there you go, you've now added a strike-through to your text in a Google document with ease. This simple but effective tool can enhance your document editing experience significantly. Remember, Google Docs will auto-save your edits, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. Feel free to explore more text editing options available in Google Docs and make your documents exactly how you want them to be. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you feel more empowered to take control of your document formatting.